So behind us here we're working on a big window frame that has louvres in either end, and then a whole bunch of casement sashes that the customer bought second hand, and based on a picture they liked on Pinterest, have asked us to make a frame based around these sashes. So they're a Federation style sash, but instead of in the normal casement orientation, I have to stack them on edge, one on top of the other, and we've got 3 bays of that. They could only get 5 sashes, so I need to make an extra sash for it, but that's what we're up to. This is the final pair that we had to do. We had to actually make 1 extra sash because they only had 5 sashes, so we had to make 1 sash extra to match the rest. And this is it. It's finished gluing up now. This was done yesterday, so we just need to finish that off. So this is what we have. We've got both sashes here put together. I'm just about to putty them off now, and then they'll be installed into the frame. I'll take a bit of footage when we're putting them in, and then I'll just do a final bit of footage on just showing you the whole setup there with it all finished. Yeah, just. Yeah, so we're just fitting the sashes in there now. Joe's putting those in. They've been nailed in, and now I've just put a little fillet mould around them as well, just to tidy them up and finish it off. So all we've got to do now is just seal in around the louvres, and it's done. So that's it, it's all finished now, so I'll just get the camera in a bit closer and I'll just show you a bit of details. It's not something that we normally do, it's just a customer had some ideas that they came across on Pinterest, and as I've mentioned before, they acquired some older sashes and wanted to work it into this big window which sits directly behind their kitchen bench. So we've got a bank of louvres on both ends. So this is just the louvres from the outside now, so the same end but just an external view. So it's quite difficult to get it all in the shot because it's actually 4.8 meters wide, so it's quite a difficult frame to get the whole thing in shot. But you can see there the sashes, how we've had to work these. Bear with me, I'll just try and adjust this. So they're the old sashes there, and the lighter strip in the middle is what we've had to put between them to bring them back to an even consistency all the way around, because the client wanted them to be an even margin all the way around. Obviously not in the middle, but just an even margin all the way around, and then the middle section there works out to be 2 lots of that margin, so double the margin. But yeah, so we've had a lot of mucking around to do. I didn't film most of this because it was too much mucking around with a lot of it. So I'll just come over here so you can actually see. Yeah, so it was there was too much mucking around with a lot of it. Like, these sashes were old, so I had to do a lot of mucking around with them. Like, I had to run rabbits off and glue pieces on and so on and so forth. So yeah, and I didn't bother filming the making of the frame because I've got other window frames that we've filmed and made before. So this video, I just thought I'd just do a quick video just showing you one of the things that we do from time to time here when people come in with different designs and things that they want. This is one of the, I don't very often use old sashes like this, but they wanted to accommodate them, so I thought, why not? But yeah, so I hope you like how it looks. I think it looks pretty good at the end of the day. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.